Ruto yiero maduong' ma higa 2027 kata koyudo sir koa kuom Raila Odinga. Sifuna olero ni yo matend Kenya Kwanza bagni godo kod osuru ma kinde ka kinde biro jiemo ne Ruto e yiero maduong' mabiro.
The good thing is that William Ruto is also a founder member of ODM. Yes. He knows ODM. The value you attach to an endorsement by saying we pick a name is zero, because those people at the end of the day are loyal to Raila Amolo Odinga. The day Raila stands up and says we are going for this seat, none of those people you hear, his praise and worship team in parliament saying, oh, William, we will support you. None of those people will be there to support William Ruto. I can assure you. So as ODM, I'm telling you, and I've said it on this show, Trevor, my position is, even if ODM supports Ruto, Ruto will still lose. I have said it here and I repeat it. So I want to make it very clear that as a party, we do not support either the internal affairs or the way the external affairs of this country are being run. And this is a reputation.
Because he said when the party leadership comes back, he will give direction.
That's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm telling you. Let me make another thing clear. Yeah. ODM will only enter into alliances with political parties that are like-minded, political parties that are pro-people, people who can manage a country. You are not going to force us into an alliance with incompetent people. And it has been demonstrated that the Kenya Kwanza government is the most incompetent so far from independence.
Piny owacho e kaunti ma Siaya okete tago maliet mar yango kaka omenda maromo siling milion 26 notigo de chulo kambi